Good afternoon, students. We'll continue our previous class topic, trees. Okay. We discussed in the previous class that tree is nothing but a hierarchical structure, is a non-linear data structure because the elements are not stored in an order. Okay, as same as our previous classes, like linear data structures are arrays, stacks, queues, linked list, double linked list. Okay, these all are in a particular way the elements are arranged. Okay, but in the binary tree, the elements are not arranged in an order. Okay, this will be arranged elements in the form of a hierarchical order like a tree structure. Okay, here there is no particular way and particular line of elements will not be arranged. Okay, so that so binary trees, the trees are called as the non-linear data structures. Okay, so we are defining a tree as a finite set of elements. Okay, here the binary tree is nothing but the binary is name itself. It says that binary is a two, so one and two. So here the tree can have maximum number of two child nodes. Okay, it node can have either zero child nodes or one child node or maximum two child nodes. Okay, so whenever you observe this tree in the example, okay, A is a node which is having a two child nodes is a B and C, and B is a node which is having a two child nodes D and E. So, and E has only one child, that is G. Okay, and C has only one child, that is F. F has two childs H and I. So here D, G, H, I are the leaf nodes. These do not have any child nodes. That is here in this tree, A, B, and F has the two child nodes, and E has only one child node, and C also has only one child node, and D, G, H, I has zero child nodes. Okay, so we can have any node in the binary tree can have either 0 or 1 or 2 child nodes, maximum 2 child nodes. Okay, next. So whenever we are dealing with the trees, the binary trees or maybe a normal tree, okay, we have two parts in the tree. Okay, the first part is called as the left and second part, that is the left root node, left side part is the left subtree and right side part is the right subtree, or we can call it as left tree and right tree. Okay, so and these two are the different for the each and every tree. Okay, so whenever you are seeing this, A has a one child B, and here in the second figure, A is having a one child B. But these two are different. For the picture, we are getting a similar look, but these two are different. Why? Because B is the left child for the A, but here in the second figure, B is the right child for the A. Okay, that is A is having a right subtree with the B, and here in the first figure, A is having a left subtree B. Okay, so the difference is B is in the one figure, B is in the left side, and another figure, B is in the right side. Okay, so we cannot say these two are the same because these two are in the two different sides of the trees. Okay, next, imperfection of the trees. Say for example, you want to say any particular binary tree is a perfect binary tree. Okay, just a second. Okay, entry level is a completely full. Okay, these are the perfect binary trees. Okay, in this each and every internal node has two child nodes. Okay, in the first figure there are the internal nodes are first one, these two, say, and this one. All these internal nodes has two child nodes. Okay, so this is a perfect binary tree, and in the second figure also the same. So each and every internal node has two child nodes. So this is also a perfect binary tree. That is, if any of the tree which is having all internal nodes with two child nodes, then that is called as the perfect binary tree. Okay, all internal nodes of the tree must have two child nodes. Then that is the perfect binary tree. Okay. Next, structures that are not the binary trees. Okay, generally, whenever you call the say a particular tree as a not a binary trees, if a tree is having more than two child nodes, that is not a binary tree. And if a tree which is having a loops is nothing but like this, A, B, E, C. That is, there is no, it's not actually tree. It is a one rectangular graph. Okay, if this type of a structure is available in any particular tree, then that is called as a not a tree. Okay, this is not only the binary tree. This is actually is not a tree. Okay, tree should not contain any loops. So it is not a binary tree, and at the same time, it is not a normal tree also. Okay, so tree should not have any loops. Okay, closed loop should not be there in the tree. Next, this is also the not the binary tree because here there is a line from the D to the B. Okay, it should not be there in the trees. Okay, next, strictly binary trees. If every non-leaf node in a binary tree has non-empty left and right subtrees, the tree is called a strictly binary tree. Okay, every non-leaf node, that is nothing but every parent node, okay, or every internal node of the binary tree has non-empty left and non-empty right node, non-empty left and non-empty right subtree, then the tree is called as a strictly binary tree. Okay, so the strictly binary tree has n leaves and also contains the 2n minus 1 nodes. Okay, say for example, if there are the n equals to 5, there are the 5 leaf nodes, then the tree can have a 2n minus 1. 2 into 5, 10 minus 1, 9. 9 internal nodes. Okay, so sorry, 9 total nodes. Okay, if a tree has 5 leaf nodes, then the tree can have 10 total nodes. Okay, 10 nodes, including leaf and internal nodes. The tree has 10 nodes. Okay, that is also in the case of strictly binary tree. Okay, so here check this. A has left node, that is B, and A also has right node, that is C, and C has left node D, and C has right node E. And at the same time, D has left node F and D has right node G. That is all the nodes, all the non-parent, non-leaf nodes, that is A, D, C. These three nodes has left node and right node. That is left subtree and right subtree both had for these three nodes. Here check the leaf nodes. B, F, G, E are the leaf nodes. That is 4 leaf nodes. Okay. Total nodes are 7. 4 and 3. 7. So whenever you substitute this in the leaf node value in the 2n minus 1, n is the 4. 4 leaf nodes, that is 4. 2n. 2 into 4, 8 minus 1, that is 7. So total nodes are 7 in the tree. So then we can call this tree is a strictly binary tree. Okay. Next, strictly binary trees. Another strictly binary tree. The structure that is not a strictly binary tree because nodes C and E have one son each. That is one child each. Okay, this tree is not a strictly binary tree because E has only one subtree. There is no right subtree. And C also has only right subtree. There is no left subtree. So there are the two nodes which are incomplete. Okay, which are having only one subtree. So then this tree is called as a non not a strictly binary tree. Okay, this you can also find out with the formula. So here 4 leaf nodes are there, D, G, H, I, 4. So 2n minus 1. 2 into n, 2 into 4, 8 minus 1, 7. there should be 7 total nodes, but here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 nodes are there, but we should have only 7 nodes. Then only we can call it as a strictly binary tree. That is, there is a leaf nodes are 4. Whenever you substitute that in the 2n minus 1, okay, we need to get the 7, but here I am getting a 9 nodes. So it is not a strictly binary tree. Okay. Next, level and depth of the tree. Okay. So level is nothing but the different levels of the nodes in the tree. That is from the root node to the leaf node. That is also last leaf node. Okay. Up to that, whatever may be the number of levels of the nodes, those are called as the level of the tree. Okay. So here, whenever you are seeing this tree, okay, there's a one level is A node level, and another level is B and C, and another level is D and E, and another level is F and G. So root node is at the level 0, and next nodes are at the level 1, and next nodes are at level 2, and next are at the level 3. Okay, and as the same way, depth of the tree is maximum level of the leaf node. Okay, so whatever the maximum level you will get, the maximum level value, okay, that value is called as the depth of the tree. So 3 is the depth of this tree. Okay, so or you can also count like this. These are the edges: first level edges, second level edges, third level edges. So 3 is the depth. Okay, okay, for the levels we will count the level of the nodes. Okay, for the depth we will check count the level edges level. Okay, edges, these lines. Okay, level of these lines we will count, so that we'll get the depth. Next, okay, size and depth of the tree. Okay, size of the tree is nothing but number of nodes in the tree, the total number of nodes, that is including leaf nodes, internal nodes, root node, parent node, child node, all. Okay, whatever the total nodes we have in the tree, that is the count of a tree nodes in the tree, that is the size. Okay, so here in this example, the total nodes are 12. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 nodes. The depth of this tree. Okay, so depth of this tree is 1 2, the second level of edges, 3, third level of edges, 4. 4 is the depth of this tree. Okay, okay, what is the level of this tree? 1, that is A node level. Second level is BC. Sorry, 0th level is A node. 1 level is BC. 2 level is DEF. 3 level is GHIJK. And 4 level is L. So 4 is the level 4. That is 0 to 4. 5 levels are this tree. Okay. Next, the complete binary tree. Okay. So we can call it binary tree as a complete binary tree. Okay, whenever we have the tree with a depth of D is a strictly binary tree, and all whose leaves are at level D. Okay, say for example, a binary tree is having a depth is the D. Okay, and all its leaves are at the level D. That is, say for example, if your tree level, if your tree depth is the 4, then all the leaves of the tree must be there in the 4th level. Okay, then only we can call that tree as a binary tree. Okay, we can also simply call it as a complete binary tree is a tree which is having all leaves on the same level. Okay, all the leaves nodes of the tree are on the same level. Okay, then only we can call the tree as a binary tree. And it must also be a strictly binary tree, so that each and every node should have both left node, left subtree and right subtree. Okay, and the formula for this is 2 power d plus 1 minus 1. Using this, we can check whether the tree is a complete binary tree or not. Okay, so check in this figure. The example, A is having B and C. B is the left subtree, C is the right. And B has D and E. C has F and G and all this.